Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, we meet again. Still with my name is Rima Wantifauzia NRP 7, and my lecturer is Rengga Asmara Eskom OCA. We meet in the 8th meeting of Theory Advanced Database, which discuss about query optimization. What is it? So let's check. Objectives. So we have a purpose of our lesson now. One is to understanding the background of the need for query optimization. Two, understand how to perform optimization of SQL commands. And the last is understanding the factors that affect the speed of data access. Main subject. We have main subject here to these topics. So we have first subject is optimization of SQL commands. 2 is query access point information. And the last is factors that affect the speed of data access. So the three of subject will be our concentrate. So let's go to the lesson. First subject, optimization of SQL commands. Introduction. In the designing of database, the physical location of the data is often not an important concern, because only logic design are considered. So, it takes to display the search query result that involve physical structure of data storage. So, not only logic structure, we have to concern to this physical structure. The core of query optimization is to minimize the path quest to find the data that is stored in a physical location. Index. Index on the database is used to increase the speed of data access. At the time the query is executed, index and search the data that helps determine the value of row ID, find the physical location of data on the disk. Example of creating index. Create index IDX kota prop kode pos on karyawan kota provinsi kode pos tabel space index. So here is the table text of the index. Which one we will use? Index. However, improper use of the index, it will not improve performance in the case the speed of data access. Example, use index involving 3 columns to sort the column by city, state, and zip code of the employee table as follows. Let's see. We make an index that is kota, provinsi, and code post in this table space, but the user performs the query as follows. So the user only perform the query where provinsi. So of course this index won't be used. So it's very useless to make this index. So we have to know what query is often to do by user, so we can make this index properly. Step 2 is creating another table. Besides index, we can create another table. Another alternative, the command can be used to create another table that has a different order from the original table, such as the following SQL command. So we have to make a new table. So if we want to query, we have to query in this table. I think it's also pattern in the memory, so it's not really recommended. And subject number 2, execution plan. Introduction. How do I see the access point to be used when the database performs a query? In Oracle database, this information can be viewed by using the command explain plan, which will provide information about the execution plan of a query. You'll see this information is stored in the plan tabel contained in the schema of the user who execute the command. Before doing explain command, first create a table. This is plan table using a script utlxplan.sql taken from Oracle Home RDBMS admin. We can copy paste from this directory. After the plan table can be used as the following example is the command prompt explain plan set statement ID test1 into plan table for here is our query, so we can make it. In the above exception plan table known as the test1 defined on statement ID column. So the statement ID is for the definition, the name. To view the execution plan of test1, use the following select statement. We have to select lpad, this like that, then concat operation, concat with apostrophe options, concat again apostrophe object name key plane from plan table where statement ID was the name. Connect by prior ID, parent is parent ID and statement ID is the name, and start with ID 0 and statement ID is the name. It's quite long and difficult to remember. So what really factors that affect the speed of data access? We will discuss it now. Another factor that affects the speed of data access not only lies in the optimization of SQL commands, so not only on the SQL commands, but the other things that affect. Among them is the optimization of the application. So the application, we have to optimize the application and use of clusters and index. Like what I had tell before. It's also Oracle database data access speed is also affected by adjustment tool, so we can adjust the setting of this, the shared pool, buffer change, read log buffers, and operating system use. We can set it to affect that the data access speed, but it's actually have default by Oracle. Next, another factor affects the speed of data access. Optimization of the application. Efficient in the use of an object that supports HSPs such as index or cluster. Then also how the database is designed. So design a database is an important stage. Is the design of the database is to normalize the data properly, but sometimes normalized to the umpteen level does not guarantee an efficient design. So we have to see our needs, not all of table, all of data we have to normalize. To make the design more precise, sometimes after normalization needs to be done denormalization. Nah, this is one way to get back the normalization. Cluster, the number two of the factors. Cluster is a segment that stores data from different tables in an adjacent disk physical structure. This configuration is useful to access data from multiple tables that are often queried. So if we often query those SQL statements, it's useful to use cluster. Proper use of cluster analysis performed after which the tables are frequently queried simultaneously uses the SQL command join. So cluster is good for SQL command join. And last is index. If application often perform queries using a column are in the where clause, then the index should be used involving the column. Proper use of the index depends on the type of the value contained in column will be indexed. Just like I said before, we have to make proper index for something that always or often to be queried. In the Oracle RDBMS, there are two kind of index, P3 index and bitmap index. P3 index is used for columns that contain values that are quite varied. So if the data is foreign and many, so we have to use P3. And bitmap index is for values that do not have enough variation. And what's the difference between cluster and index? So index used for column, the beside tab in cluster used for table. Exercise. Now exercise time. What is the background of the need for optimizing the speed of data access? Here is the background. Data stored in the database, the longer and greater the size or volume. So if it's not supported by adequate access speed, will decrease the performance. Hence, we need to do optimization. Query optimization in conjunction with database design involves two things, namely index and cluster. Just I tell you before. Next, process data that has been indexed. Search will be faster if the data sought is situated at. It will be faster if we placed in the located on adjacent block of the table rather than having to look for in some data file located in different blocks like that. 4. How do I see the access point to be used when performing database query? So the steps to use to do that. You can see in the previous presentation when we make the plain table and we copy the SQL command from the directory and then we run, and there are many syntax there. I don't write it. You can see in the like this plain table, and then for the view the execution we have this syntax. It's the answer of the question. Next we will go to next question. Number 5. Mention other factors that affect the speed of data access in addition to optimization of SQL commands. Just like I said before, another factor that affects the speed data access not only lies in the optimization of SQL commands, but the other things that affect is the optimization of application, use of cluster and index, also the adjustment to redo log buffer, system operation, etc. 6. Several database engine components involved in the architecture to be adjusted in order to access the data more quickly and efficiently. Give an example. Like this, Oracle database data access speed is also affected by adjustment to the set rule. Reader, so it will be faster, and the buffer change reader, so it will be faster, and reader log buffers, and the operating system we use. Some friends say that using Linux is more quicker than Windows. I don't know, but this is the end of the 8th meeting. Thank you guys. See you.